Software development for IoT in a bare metal programming model requires a development toolchain installed on the developer's computer. The vendor of the MCU usually provides a set of tools. This set frequently includes a dedicated compiler, linker, library management tools, configuration tools, debugger software, etc. In most cases, those tools are command line tools. It is quite common to use a GNU compiler collection, so-called GCC, for C and C++, but dedicated compilers also exist. A graphical user interface for developers is referred as an integrated development environment, or shortly IDE. It helps developers efficiently author, compile, upload, and debug code. Some hardware manufacturers provide their own dedicated IDEs, such as STM32Cube IDE. Some others use universal editors, such as Visual Studio Code, and develop a dedicated plugin. It is worth mentioning that much of the software is authored by the open source community and available for free. But there do exist commercial development environments that the user needs to pay for. One of the biggest challenges in starting work with bare metal IoT development is understanding the manufacturer's unique approach to setting up the development chain, which usually involves multiple downloads, installation and configuration steps, and reading multiple pages of documentation. Updates are also non-trivial. Other troublesome tasks are source code and software library management. While most universal and dedicated code editors have integration with common versioning repositories such as Git and Subversion, library management is specific to the development chain. It is where the developer's middleware and support tools, usually in the form of a plugin, come.